Hello friends, you're going to start by watching the tutorial on how to get the Screencastify extension, and once you have done that, you're going to open your solo in Smartmusic. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that your accompaniment is turned pretty far up, that your part is completely muted. That's very important. And that your metronome is completely muted. And on the accompaniment, I did end up turning it up all the way. Then you're going to click on the extension for Screencastify. You want to click the Browser tab so that it only gets that. You're going to turn your microphone on, and you are going to turn your webcam embedding on. And then you're going to hit record. Once you have done that, it will give you a 3, 2, 1 where you're just going to kind of wait. And now you're recording. Once that has started, you can hit play on your accompaniment, and this is when you will begin. It should sound something like this. But better.
Received every letter you wrote to me. From the moment I read them, I knew you were mine. You said you were mine. I thought you were mine.
Once you have finished that, you will of course hit stop on your Smartmusic. Then you're going to go ahead and click up on the extension again, and you'll see that there's a red dot if it's recording. And then you can stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, it's going to take you to this screen. And you can see that it is automatically copying to your Google Drive, which is a good thing. And then you do have several more options. You will be using the copy shareable link later, but you could also publish it to YouTube, get an embedding code for a website, send it in an email, download, export. If you do choose to download this and would like it to be an actual usable format, you will need to export to MP4. But what you're going to be doing is copying the shareable link, but first you need to choose the privacy settings. And what you're going to do for this is choose unlisted. You must choose unlisted. That way it won't necessarily be public, but those of us that have the link can view it. Now if you want to see how it turned out, just click View on Drive, and it'll open that file up for you. You can give it a watch and give it a listen. And if you are happy about how it turned out, you are ready to go ahead and share the link. And so what you will do once you're certain you've got a good solid recording, you're going to click Copy Shareable Link, and that is the link that you will use when you turn in the assignment in Google Classroom. Remember, this week you're turning in a rough draft, and I will give you notes, and then you will do this whole process again next week when you turn in your final draft. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email or come to office hours. Thanks, everyone.